Recently, one of my viewers reached out and stated that they're having a very difficult time trying to find any information using Android, including Android Auto. Well, I am pleased to inform you that this is the video you are looking for. Everything in this video will be done using Android. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. To get started using the wired method, you just plug in the USB cable. It will light up and go straight to your head unit. Here is the RV Life app on Android Auto. There is no Android operating system in this head unit. Everything is coming from this cell phone. So if we want to go anywhere, we just tell the app where we want to go. For instance, if we just go where to, we can look for areas or even zoom out to get a better look at the map. And you can see it moves around pretty well. Why don't we just pull up parks? Here are parks in the area. Currently, I'm just outside of St. Augustine at Buc-ee's. Here are all the parks that are around this vehicle. For instance, if we looked at Stagecoach RV Park, you have to agree in the app, and we are ready to go. The beautiful part about this system is when you use Android Auto, your phone becomes a turn-by-turn list. If we were to pick the 11 minutes,
let's go.
She even says, let's go.
Left, and then turn right.
And you're able to turn the voice off if you want. Now, check this out. Here are your turn-by-turn directions. So if you have a navigator with you or a backseat driver, they can kind of keep an eye on things. Once we get going, it shifts over to the night because it is dark. Just driving around this parking lot.
Turn right and then immediately turn slightly left onto World Commerce Parkway. Route recalculation.
And you could see that I took that wrong turn.
Now turn left and then immediately turn sharply right onto World Commerce Parkway.
It recalculated on the spot. My turn-by-turns updated. A little personal note to all the people out there driving, please use your blinkers.
After 500 feet, turn right onto International Gulf Parkway and then keep right.
I have found so many wonderful places to stay just by using the app. Now, I use Apple iPhone and CarPlay quite extensively, but there's no reason why anybody with Android couldn't benefit from such a wonderful system as well. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see the distance to your turn, and underneath that, it shows you the next turn. By knowing the next turn, you can prepare what lane you need to be in before you even make the first turn. Now, this is extremely important, especially when you're 44 or 50 feet long. It's hard to get over sometimes, so if you know what lane you need to be in ahead of time, it just makes it so much easier. Now at about half a mile, we're going to be coming up on our turn. It says we have about 3 minutes left, approximately 1.7 miles. That's not too bad at all. And here we are, coming up on our last turn. We will arrive at Stagecoach RV. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.